Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Eufy camera that's offline. So there might be a lot of reasons why your Eufy camera keep on going offline. So first you just have to try to find the reasons before troubleshooting the particular problem of that. So there are basically 6 common reasons for it. So first it can have the problems with the camera's wireless connection, or it can happen because of low bandwidth, outdated firmware version, when it has problem with the network equipment, and when it is not stable power source, and when it has interference from other household devices. So these are some of the issues with the help of which you can face these types of problems. So in order to fix this problem, you just have to simply uh, do what the reason is. Like, if it is outdated firmware version, then you just have to simply update it in order to fix this issue. If it is because of low bandwidth, you need to just try to increase the bandwidth, and your problem will be solved. So these are some of the things that you can do in order to fix this problem. If this problem persists, then you can even try to contact with the Eufy customer service executive by clicking on this message icon on their website. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.